Welcome to Choice Champions. The best A7IV battery grip is probably one of the most essential accessories for any serious photographer using the Sony A7IV, offering extended shooting times and improved ergonomics, especially for vertical shots. This accessory can significantly enhance your workflow, allowing you to capture more moments without the interruption of battery changes, making it a crucial investment for professionals and enthusiasts alike who demand reliability and performance from their gear during long shoots or in challenging environments. Number 5. K&F Concept NP FC100 Battery and Charger Kit. Never miss a moment with this 3-pack of high-capacity batteries. They provide extended shooting time, ensuring you have the power you need for any adventure. Charge all 3 batteries simultaneously with the upgraded LCD charger. Its smart display shows charging status, and it fully charges in just 6 hours. These batteries are fully decoded and compatible with a wide range of Sony cameras. They work seamlessly with models like the A7 series, FX series, and Alpha 9. Power up your charger using either micro USB or Type-C. You can easily connect it to a wall charger, power bank, or laptop for convenient charging anywhere. Rest assured with our certified battery and charger kit. It features multiple built-in protections for safe and reliable charging, safeguarding your equipment. What we like. If you're always running out of power and need to keep shooting for extended periods, this is the perfect solution. The 3 high-capacity batteries ensure you have plenty of backup, and the efficient 3-slot charger means less downtime. If you're a travel vlogger or an outdoor photographer who can't afford to miss a moment, consider this for uninterrupted creativity. What people say. The grip feels solid and well-built, matching the camera's aesthetic. It provides a much more comfortable vertical shooting experience, especially for larger hands. The battery compartment holds 2 NP FC100 batteries, significantly extending shooting time. Number 4. K&F Concept NP FC100 Battery and Charger Set. Never miss a moment with our high-capacity 2280 mAh batteries. They provide long-lasting, reliable power for your Sony camera, ensuring you can shoot for longer without interruption. Designed for a wide range of Sony Alpha and Cinema line cameras, these batteries offer perfect compatibility. You can trust them to work seamlessly with your existing gear. Our intelligent dual-slot charger lets you power up 2 batteries simultaneously. With versatile Type-C and micro USB inputs, charging is convenient wherever you are. Your safety is our priority. This charging set features comprehensive protections against overcharging, overheating, and other electrical hazards, ensuring peace of mind. This certified kit includes everything you need: 2 high-capacity batteries, a dual-slot charger, and a USB-C cable. It's the perfect backup solution for any photographer or videographer. What we like. For those who need reliable power without the bulk, this set offers a great balance. It provides 2 essential batteries and a convenient dual-slot charger that can be powered by various sources. If you're a hybrid shooter or a content creator who values flexibility and efficiency in a more streamlined package, this is a solid choice. What people say. The grip feels solid and well-built, matching the camera body's construction. It provides a much more comfortable and secure hold, especially for vertical shooting. The button layout is intuitive and mirrors the camera's controls, making the transition seamless. Number 3. JJC GP X1EM Grip Extension Metal Bracket. Experience a more solid and comfortable hold with this metal grip extension. It's an essential accessory for photographers with larger hands or those accustomed to heavier setups. This baseplate features an Arca-Swiss dovetail design, ensuring compatibility with universal tripods. It also includes an additional 1/4-20 screw hole for further mounting options. Never miss a shot due to access issues. You can easily reach the battery and memory card without needing to remove the grip. Easily attach a quick-release sling strap using the swivel hook clip. Additionally, 2 holes on the right side allow for a hand strap, enhancing your shooting stability. For videographers, an integrated cold shoe mount is conveniently located on the left side. This allows you to easily attach a microphone for improved audio quality. What we like. If you find your camera uncomfortable to hold for long periods, especially with larger lenses, this accessory is a game changer. It provides a much-needed ergonomic upgrade and adds practical features like tripod mounting and strap attachments. If you have larger hands or frequently use heavier gear, this will significantly improve your shooting experience. What people say. The grip provides an extra shutter button and control dial for vertical shooting. It significantly extends the battery life, allowing for longer shooting sessions without needing to swap batteries. The ergonomic design makes the camera more comfortable to hold, especially for extended periods or when using larger lenses. Number 2. Sony A7IV Mirrorless Camera. Introducing the Sony A7IV, a groundbreaking full-frame mirrorless camera designed to elevate your photography. Experience unparalleled image quality and performance in a compact body. Capture breathtaking detail with its advanced 24.2 MP back-illuminated full-frame image sensor. Enjoy a wider dynamic range and exceptional low-light performance, even at high ISO settings. Never miss a moment with its sophisticated autofocus system. It boasts 693 phase detection and 425 contrast detection AF points, covering 93% of the image area for precise tracking. Shoot at up to 10 frames per second with either the silent or mechanical shutter, all while maintaining continuous autofocus and exposure tracking. It's perfect for capturing fast action. Keep shooting longer with impressive battery performance. You can capture approximately 610 stills with the viewfinder or 710 with the LCD monitor on a single charge. Easily connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth for instant sharing and remote control. It's compatible with a wide range of Sony E-mount lenses, offering endless creative possibilities. What we like. As the core of your setup, this camera body offers a fantastic foundation for any photographer or videographer. Its advanced sensor and autofocus system deliver stunning image quality and reliable performance. If you're looking to step into full-frame photography or upgrade from an older model and want a proven, versatile camera, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. The grip feels solid and well-built, matching the camera body's construction. It provides a much more comfortable vertical shooting experience with the extra shutter button and controls. The battery compartment holds 2 NP A7IV batteries, significantly extending shooting time between charges. Number 1. Meike A7IV Pro Battery Grip for Sony A7IV A9II A7SII. Introducing the Meike A7IV Pro Battery Grip, designed specifically for your Sony A7IV, A9II, and A7SII cameras. Elevate your shooting experience with enhanced power and control. Experience superior stability and distance with its advanced FSK signal mode. This grip ensures a reliable connection, allowing you to control your camera from up to 100 meters away. The integrated low-power LCD screen provides clear information at a glance. It also features a convenient screen lock function to prevent accidental changes. Take full creative control with the built-in timer. You can easily set delay times, exposure durations, interval shooting, and the number of shots for precise photographic results. This vertical grip is engineered to work seamlessly with original Sony A7IV batteries, ensuring consistent and dependable power for extended shooting sessions. What we like. For professionals and enthusiasts who frequently shoot in portrait orientation or require precise control over long exposures and time-lapse, this grip is invaluable. The integrated remote and timer functions streamline complex shooting scenarios. If you're a studio photographer, a landscape artist working with vertical compositions, or a filmmaker needing remote shutter capabilities, this will enhance your workflow. What people say. The grip feels solid and well-built, matching the camera body's construction. It provides an excellent vertical shooting experience with comfortable button placement. The battery compartment holds 2 NP A7IV batteries, significantly extending shooting time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.